Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today kita nak buat video unboxing all the kitchen toys yang kita beli untuk Ataf. So these are those things yang kita akan unboxing for today. Let's check it out. Dalam ni ada 7 kitchen toys. It's complete one set yang Mami belikan untuk dia. And these are the juicer. And then there's also a toaster, a bread machine, and then there's a vacuum. So all these are not very large, it's actually mini size. It's a very cute size. And the oven, and also a coffee machine, and then there's also a mixer, and last one is the water dispenser. Tapi disebabkan Ataf tengah tidur, so kita tunggu for Ataf untuk bangun and kita unboxing dengan dia. Ataf, siapa punya tu? And you want to open first?
I want
Mana satu?
this one.
Okay. Now it is unboxing time with Ataf. Ataf bangun-bangun tidur terus cari toys dia dulu. Wee!
I want the vacuum.
That's the vacuum. This one, the toaster. Next one, that's the electric oven. Okay, what's the next one, Ataf? This is the coffee machine. Ataf open the coffee machine. It's the mixer, Ataf. It's the mixer. It's tempat buat cake. This is for you to do your cake, Ataf. And is the water dispenser.
No.
Yes, that's the water dispenser. And now it's playtime with Ataf. Okay, dekat sini ada all the complete kitchen set. The mixer, coffee machine, the electric oven, and the water dispenser, and the juicer, blender, and also the toaster. And there's one more with Ataf, the vacuum. And kita orang baru realise yang kita orang tak ada battery. So kita orang kena pergi dinner makan kejap, then buy for the battery, and balik rumah lah untuk continue the unboxing. Ataf, what is that? Vacuum.
Wah, Ataf.
Kenapa Ataf bawa vacuum,
Ataf
Ataf?
got vacuum. Tengok orang lain tak ada vacuum. Only Ataf got vacuum. Wow, you are the cleanest boy, kan? No one has clean. Only you clean. Yay.
The chicken sausage with the chili flakes.
Good for you.
And also my comfort food is here. The mee curry.
Hold that one first.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so now kita dah masuk Mr. DIY. And supposedly kita nak kena pergi beli bateri je. But macam biasalah, kita always ended up being distracted with other things because there's so many distractions here. And and also so many jajan, so many keropok. So sambil-sambil tu kita nak cuci mata and tengok apa yang ada dekat sini. Nabati ni sedap weh korang. Before this I pernah beli yang strawberry punya flavour, tapi dia dah tak jual, so I rasa dia sold out. So ni lah yang I pernah beli sebelum ni, and Ataf suka gila, okay. Okay, now kita dah sampai rumah, and also there's another coffee maker untuk kita unboxing. It's so cute. Ada coffee maker, ada milk and coffee. That is the water dispenser. The vacuum. And also the electric oven. Sempat tadi. Ataf, ada yang tengah tengok Ataf. Ada yang nak join Ataf. Tubi.
Yeah. Ten. The body is very hot.
Yes, the oven is very hot.
Mommy, how are they gonna be? The body is very hot.
Alamak, tercampak roti. Yang kat belakang tu tengah buat apa? Tengah calik hingus kat dinding ke? Okey dah, masa untuk kita tidur. And say goodbye to all your toys. And see you soon guys.